y'all, welcome back. I want to first, before we get into the unboxing, I do want to say if you notice that I look different in the thumbnail than I do here in the video, that is because I was filming, trying to catch up from being sick, and we had a little issue. I'm not going to cry. We had a little issue with Otis, and he is currently at the emergency vet with my husband and my daddy to figure out what is going on. He had like this huge thing pop up on his neck that was just really yucky looking, and then a lump down in his throat, and his back legs just did not want to work. So we weren't really sure what happened, if he got bit by something or what, but either way, it's just been a really long day. So my hair has been pulled back. I've had to redo my makeup because I have been crying. So I'm not going to cry now. We're going to occupy my mind, and I'm going to share a brand new box with you guys. So thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. I am pushing through. So as you can see from the description down below, we do have a brand new subscription, and I am excited to share this with you. It is the Clean Couture box. So I want to tell you a little bit about it before we open it, because it is new. And before I do that, I do again want to say thank you for being here. It means the world to me. I would love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We have a current giveaway going on that is pretty awesome. It does end on the 16th. It is for the Upbox giveaway, so you definitely want to check out that video. The link will be below. I hope that you will leave a comment telling me your thoughts and give the video a thumbs up, because it does help me out. So, a little bit about Clean Couture. They start at $35.99 for the premium box, which is the one that I have. And with this box, you receive 5 to 8 full-sized luxury bath, body, and spa items such as bath bombs, lotions, creams, body butter, shower steamers, artisan soaps, a shower pouf, scrubs, votives, hair care, and more. This box is carefully planned so you don't get the same items stacking up. They are handcrafted, full-size products, and they are cruelty-free, which I think is amazing. Now, they are through Cratejoy, so I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. They do have other subscriptions. They have just a bath bomb box, and that has plans starting as low as $22.95, and then they have a mini box, which is 3 to 4 of their items, and that is starting at $22.45. So all of that will be below. Well, like I said, the link will be below, the pricing will be below, and everything. So let's go ahead and get in here. And of course my box cutter got put back there. So, but again, this is Clean Couture for June 2019. Oh my gosh. I'm still a little stopped up, and something smells absolutely amazing. So we do have a card here for June. There is a piece of paper that was on top. Let me take a look at that, because that looks like it's a little personalized. All right, so they are giving me a discount code for you guys. So thank you so much, Clean Couture. They did kindly send this to me to review for them and to share with you. So I do appreciate that. Thank you so much. And the coupon code is SouthMom, and that'll get you $5 off your very first box. The premium box, again, $39.99, 5 to 8 full-size items. The mini box, $24.95, includes 3 to 4 full-sized items. Both of those include shipping. The bath bomb box, which has 6 bath bombs for $24.95, has an additional shipping charge. So you have those options there. But again, I will put that information as well as the link down below and that coupon code. So again, thank you so much, Clean Couture, for the coupon code. I apologize if you hear Oscar in the background. He's a little wound up since Otis is not here. He's kind of wondering, hey, where is my brother? What is going on? So I apologize. But let's get into our box. So we have, let's see, this tells us the value of each item, and then this goes over each item. Woman of note, Anna Coleman Watts Ladd. I'm always in awe of women who go so far to help others in need. Women are givers, and Anna Coleman Watt Ladd's talent helped soldiers who had been deformed by war. War is brutal. Survivors are often scarred inside and out. Anna, being a talented sculptor, began making prosthetics for men marred during World War I. Soldiers would come into her shop and she'd take a cast of their face, and using photos of them pre-war, she'd make them a prosthetic for their face, allowing them to lead a more normal life. Instead of the usual long bio we write, we're including pictures of her work as it speaks for itself. Oh my goodness. And it says the photos are courtesy of the Smithsonian. That is amazing. Oh. Okay. Let's get into the box. So, this is what we see. We have our squigglies. So I'm going to kind of peel some of those back. And then here we have our goodies. Something in here, even though, like I said, I'm still a little stuffy, smells phenomenal. It almost smells like Fruit Loops. So let's just start digging in. All right. So Clean Couture actually also is, if this is going to make sense when I start showing you products, is Storytime soaps. So that's a lot of the stuff, like this is Storytime Soap Shop. That is the same company. So, but this is Cinnabon whipped soap, cream cheese, cinnamon, cassis, and butter. Yum. And again, if I did not say, this is cruelty free, which is amazing. Whipped soap is pH balanced and gentle enough to use on your face. Simply apply to damp skin, lather, and rinse. Can also be used as shave cream. So this is what it looks like. So it's a good size. It's 4 ounces. There is a safety seal. Oh, but I can smell it through the safety seal. Oh my gosh. And you can see how whipped and like delicious. It's a soap and I just called it delicious. If you could smell it, I really wish you could, but if you could smell it, you would say delicious as well, I promise. Nope. Get back on there. Okay. So let's read about that guy. Gentle cleanser that is perfect for acne-prone faces and your body, full of jojoba oil and grapeseed oil. It is decadent. Use a dollop and a scruffy on your hands or on a cloth and enjoy. And that is a $10 value. All right, so we have something else here in a tub. What is caramel apple foaming sugar scrub, caramel apple and butter. This is at $8.50 value. This is also from Storytime Soap Shop. Whipped soap. Okay, so it kind of has this, basically the same information, but this is going to be like a scrub. Oh my goodness. You can actually see where the colors are different for like caramel apple, like the apple and the caramel. Y'all, that smells so good. Exfoliation is important so that your moisturizer doesn't have to soak through dead skin cells. Exfoliate and smell yummy. Okay. And then from Storytime Soap Shop, we have Very Berry Lotion, blackberry, blueberry, and vanilla. Full of great ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and more. This creamy lotion will keep your skin happy and it smells delish. And this is $4.50. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alrighty. And then we have two donut. This is why it smelled like Fruit Loops. We have two donut bath bombs in Fruity Pebbles. So, yep. That's exactly what I was smelling, and they smell amazing. These are $5 each. Those smell so good. And then you can apparently choose between bath bombs or shower steamers. And then it says we've included some sweet fragrances for your pleasure, so it's just going to vary. And then we have one more item. Again, this is the premium box. So what is... Alright, so this has a value of $7.85. This is from the Storytime Soap Shop. Marshmallow cubes. And first of all, it's cute as pie because if you look, it's in like a clawfoot tub container, like hard plastic container. These fun bath treats are packaged in a fun storage tub scented in black cherry. Use a cube to lather up and smell the cherry goodness. Tubs are a cute display in your bathroom for small items such as nail polish, hair scrunchies, and so much more. And again, this was $7.85. Y'all, this is like the cutest thing ever. The clawfoot tub container. Oh, I can smell that, and it smells so good. So I guess you would just take one cube and lather up. So, oh, wrong way again. So there is that. So to recap, we got these cute little marshmallow cubes. That is so fun in this cute little container that I will repurpose. We got the two Fruity Pebble donut bath bombs right here. This Very Berry, and it smells very yummy, lotion. And the caramel apple foaming sugar scrub right here. And then again, this was 8 ounces and it's $8.50. And then we have this Cinnabon whipped soap, which smells fantastic. And this was $10. So I definitely think the value of the box is there. Thank you again so much to Clean Couture for sending this to me. Like I said, I will put the pricing as well as that coupon code SouthMom to save you $5 if you would like to sign up, and a link. Again, thank you so much for being here. I apologize if I seemed a little off or distracted. Like I said, was filming when everything happened, and I just decided after crying and consoling myself that I was gonna throw some different jewelry on and clean myself up and keep my mind occupied. So thank you for sticking through it with me. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye. Bye.